Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make hyperlinks in Excel. Hyperlinks are incredibly useful for connecting your spreadsheet to external resources like web pages, other files on your computer, or even specific locations within the same workbook. There are a few straightforward methods to achieve this, ensuring your data is always connected and easily accessible. Let's dive into the first method now. The first method involves using Excel's Insert tab. Simply select the cell where you want your hyperlink to appear. Then, navigate to the Insert tab on the ribbon and click the Hyperlink button. A dialog box will pop up, allowing you to specify the link's destination, whether it's an existing file, a web page, or another part of your document. You can also customize the text that will be displayed in the cell. Another very efficient way to create a hyperlink is by using the right-click context menu. Just right-click on the cell where you wish to place the link. From the menu that appears, select the Link option. This will bring up the same Insert Hyperlink dialog box we saw earlier. It's a quick and intuitive method, especially when you're adding just one or two links to your spreadsheet, saving you several clicks. For more advanced or dynamic hyperlinks, Excel offers the hyperlink function. This function allows you to create a clickable link directly within a formula. The syntax is straightforward. Equals hyperlink, then in parentheses, the link location in quotes, followed by a comma, and then the friendly name also in quotes. This is perfect for creating links that change based on other cell values, offering great flexibility in your spreadsheets.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.